What is up, Dave's Roadies? Road Trip Dave is coming at you from Smoky Mountain Alpine Coaster in Pigeon Forge, Tennessee. Come with me as we ride and experience this unique, thrilling coaster ride around the foothills of the Great Smoky Mountains. Oh yeah, hang on to your hats and glasses too. This ride is very distinctive in that the coaster is built up a large hill within the Pigeon Forge city limits, and it is considered the longest downhill coaster in the United States with over 1 mile of ride track. Also, you are in control of how fast the ride can be, where the rider can use the handbrakes attached to each cart. You can buy tickets on the business website, which I have provided in the description below, but you can also buy them at the ticket desk located at the front of the visitor center. Now, during the warm weather months, you can expect to wait 15 to 30 minutes in this line queue. However, this ride is open year-round, so you may not have to wait long when it is raining or snowing. Keep in mind that the coaster will close during a thunderstorm. There are minimum height requirements for the ride. You must be at least 56 inches tall to ride alone, or at least 38 inches and 3 years old to ride with a chaperone, who has to be 16 years old. You can fit up to 2 people on each cart. There are other physical requirements, so make sure you check out the ride information on their Facebook page link, also in the description. As we wait to go, you know the drill. Chokeslam the like, please subscribe, check out my other social media, and you can donate to my channel with PayPal, or you can now leave a thanks tip by clicking the heart button below. I'll give you some more info when our ride is done, so hang on and enjoy the ride.
All right. Slowly going uphill. All right, here we go.
Mom's gonna be like.
Shh. Here we go.
Go fast. Can't wait to go so fast. Oh wow, he's really wow.
Oh. Whoa.
You're going. Oh my god.
Oh, we got more to go.
Wow.
Wow, look at this. Look how high up we're going.
Oh, look how beautiful everything is.
Yeah.
And the lights at night is even better. Oh, we're dropping now. Oh my god.
Oh, we're still going up.
Are you gonna go fast?
No, you just, there's nothing for me to do. Just, I don't have to touch anything.
Exit 6.
Take a look around at the forest. Look at that.
I know, and we're like right in the middle of the wilderness. Imagine we just see a bear pass by.
You might see some deer. See a bear. You smell the rain in the trees. It smells so good.
I expect it to be more intense, and it will be.
Oh, it will be more intense.
And I think this is a drop fire. We're going down.
Whoa.
Oh my. That should be the drive. You said you're gonna go at speed of light.
Wow, wow, wow. Look how steep we're going. Oh. Whoa.
I'm gonna fall.
No, you won't fall off. You'll be fine. Look at that.
Do not bump. Oh, this is getting faster now. Do not bump.
No, it's just we keep going uphill. Oh, here we go.
Alright, go fast on this. Alright, go fast.
That was mommy on that.
Alright. Go fast, not like mom did.
All right, push forward handles now.
Please push your handles forward now.
Whoa! 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 Holy cow! Woo! Holy smokes! Woo! Yeah, dude, up to take your hands off. Whoa! Whoa! Woo! Oh! Yes! Do it! Oh! Whoa! Woo! Woo! Come on, baby! Holy cow! Oh! Wow!
Please keep your handles down until the end of the ride.
Oh, man. Wow.
Go your handle.
All right.
Seatbelt exit right.
All right.
After your ride, you can buy pictures that are taken of your cart along the track, as well as buy some souvenirs in the Visitor Center gift shop. The next time you come to Pigeon Forge, give this coaster a try. It will be a little freaky, but it will give you and your family some exceptional thrills during your visit. Make sure you check out some of my other videos from many different destinations. More videos are coming soon, my peeps. Until next time, laters.